Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 265 and I'm gonna show you how to edit or customize the controls menu on this watch. First thing we need to do is to open the controls menu on our watch. To do that, we need to press and hold the light button and keep holding it until the menu appears on the screen. And here we have it, and we can edit this menu in a couple of ways. We can add shortcuts, remove shortcuts, and reorder them on the list. To add the shortcut, what you can do is to press and hold the up button, then select the add controls, and here we have the list of controls you can add. Find the one you like to add and then tap on it, and you will see the control added message. And if you go back to your controls menu, it will be here, as you can see. To remove the control, simply press and hold the up button, or rather, let me scratch that. Select the icon of the control you want to remove. For example, I want to remove the battery saver, then press and hold the up button, then tap on remove controls. Oh, we don't need to select it actually. Okay, that's fine. And here we can select the icon we want to remove and then press the start button. Okay, and then we can press the back button to go back to controls menu. Oh, and to reorder them, we need to press and hold the up button and then tap on reorder. First, select the icon you want to move, then press start and then move it to the place you want it to be in, and then press start to confirm. And then we can press the back button to go back to watch face, and as you can see, it was moved to the place I wanted to be in. Okay, we can also do this through the settings. So if you go back to home screen, press and hold the up button to open the menu, then scroll through the menu and find the option called appearance, tap on it, tap on controls, and here we have the list of controls. And to add the control, scroll down, tap on add new, find the control you want to add, tap on it, you will see the message control added. And if you want to remove the control, select one you want to remove, press start, select remove, and it will be gone. And if you want to reorder them, select the one control rather you want to move, then press start button, tap on reorder, move it to the place you want it to be in, and press start button to confirm. Okay, and then you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And you can also change this through the phone application on your phone if your phone is paired with your watch. So if you have a watch that is, or rather phone that is paired with your watch, you can use the Garmin Connect application to change these settings too. So we can zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone, like this. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Garmin Connect application. Let me actually open it. In the app, you should see the home page. Now we can tap on more, scroll down and select Garmin devices. Here select our Forerunner 265 from the list, and then find the option called appearance, tap on it, select controls, and we can edit the menu. We can add the control by tapping on the plus button next to one. We can remove the control by tapping on the minus button next to one, and we can change the order by pressing and holding on the sorting button next to control you want to move, and then dragging it to the place you want it to be in. And then you can go back, and to apply your changes you need to sync the devices together, and after it's done syncing, the changes should be applied. Okay, and that's how you edit or customize the controls menu on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.